safe, baby. Don't crush my style, baby. I see you watching me. You're addicted to the very thought of me. My vibe, my glow, my aura, my flow. I'm a cool, cool drink on a hot summer day. And just so you know, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay to feel the way you do. Touch, touch, touch me. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Touch, touch, touch me. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, baby, 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 you're captivated. I know it's true.
Hello, hello, it's Kitty again. Today I am going to be sharing with you my next tie-dye with ink. I want to try and replicate this look here. I think this is so gorgeous. And I found that I can create a more sophisticated look with this type of tie-dyeing effect, and that's what I'm going for. So what I've done is I've already taken the rest of the fabric that I used here. This fabric is like it's a satin crepe polyester, so it's very soft, it's lightweight, it is a woven, and it's silky. So you can imagine how this feels. This feels really nice, and the print is just gorgeous. And behind it is a light gray tie-dye print that is just beautiful with these dark streaks through it. So with this little knobbly thing here, I'm going to go ahead and dip it and let it soak in so that I can get that look as closely as possible. So with the rubber bands all tied, let's hope that I can actually gain what I'm trying to gain as this one is, because I really love that outcome. Let's see how I'm gonna lay that one. Okay, maybe this way. Yeah, okay. So I lay it in the pan. It's very shallow. The water and the ink in it is very shallow, and it looks like it's been sucked up pretty quickly. See? So we're gonna let that marinate and do what it does. Okay, and once I think it's done pretty much all the soaking up that it's going to do from what's in the pan, I'll put some more water in it and then allow it to kind of stir. I'll stir it up a little bit. I have my little paintbrush that I'm going to do that with, kind of stir it up so that, you know, it can keep soaking up the fluid that's in the tray. This is very beautiful. I know I showed it to you on the other video, but I'm going to take it down so you can actually get a better look. And I found a really unique, there's so many unique patterns here, and your mind sees, your eyes see something different when you look at it, and it's very surprising what you get. So I'm gonna show you this really close up so that you can get a look at how beautiful the print has come out. Okay, see, I'm already sewing it together. I'm ready to put this outfit together because this is so gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you can see, maybe you can see the faint designs behind it, the grayish faint design. It's just gorgeous. It is, and it's a repeated pattern. Look at how gorgeous that is. Now my favorite part that I discovered in this is usually I see faces or I see animals or, you know, that's pretty much what I've seen. So on here, I found an owl. Would you like to see the owl? I'll see if you can find the owl. Let's get it out. Do you see the owl that I see? Closer. Isn't that super cool? I think that is super cool. And then if I could replicate that little polka dotted thing, I would. What happened, how I was able to get that, I tie-dyed each one of these pieces. This is actually 3 pieces. I tied them separately and allowed them to soak up, and then I put them in a strainer to drain. So the weight of the bundle was sitting on that portion that was against the strainer. So the holes, the holes were printed, or you know, it just happened to pick up that print on it, and I'm like, oh cool, I wish that I could get that throughout the entire thing. So one day I'm gonna figure out how to get that to happen. Isn't that gorgeous? That's beautiful. Look at those polka dots within the abstract art that's already on here through the tying process. That is so gorgeous. I love it. I can't wait to finish this outfit. You guys are going to see it, especially if you have hit the notification bell, because you've already subscribed and you're liking things. You will get to see this. I cannot wait. This is going to be the happiest thing that I have figured out. So let's hope that is what's going to happen, and I can hurry up and finish all these things before the next month. That is my goal, to get these done, get this get all this work done before the next month. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Tell me that's not gorgeous. And wait till I do some more colors. I went to the store and I got more colors. Of course, I got some more black, and on this one is going to be some of the Bombay ink and the Dynaflow. This is Dynaflow Jacquard, because I ran out of the Bombay ink and they didn't have any in the store. And then I have a maroon. This is the Jacquard textile. I have some maroon. I can't wait to see a process like that in this color. It's gonna be just gorgeous. And I have the russet in Jacquard textile. Yes, this is sort of a burnt orange look, darker, you know, like on a brown side. And of course I got something vibrant. I got something vibrant. This is a fuchsia, hot fuchsia pink. That's gonna be nice to see. And then of course I got the fluorescent violet. Yeah, these colors I cannot wait to pair with the next thing that I'm gonna do. I have to run out and get some more of this lovely fabric. It's white, so I can come up with whatever color and print that I want to put on this and make the clothing piece and have the exact color I wanted it to be and the exact print that was supposed to come out of it. That is going to be so on point with I guess you would say about 95% of my designing process. I'm not making the fabric, but I'm designing the print that's going to go on the fabric, and I'm actually constructing the pieces together from whatever design I want to make, and putting on a body and letting it walk down the runway or sit on the pages of the magazine. That is exciting for me. I have more colors over there, so I'll be able to introduce those in some other tie-dye methods. And I want to be able to paint certain pictures, but I have to practice a little bit more on my painting technique. I can paint on canvas, but to get it on, you know, a fabric that's so absorbent, it takes a little bit more practice work and frequency so that it can be done. I feel like I'm looking way up in the clouds, but that's because I had to put my camera that far up so that I could get you guys to see what's going on down here. So you have to bear with me looking up in the sky. I'll figure it out sooner or later, which is the best angle for me to catch this work. So I can show you, and you can always see me and watch me and come back. And don't forget, at the end of every video, there is a website, online shopping website, that is where you can purchase pre-made design things by me. And also on the when you click on the channel on the website and you click shop, in the tabs there above you'll see runway store, and that's the place where you go and you buy stuff like this that I made from bottom to top. Okay, so if you want exclusively Chateau De Curb Gear, you shop the runway store. Okay, that's what you do. Always go look at the website, shop online at my website, and that will encourage me to make more beautiful things, more runway things, and it helps me to make some money from this career of mine, being a fashion designer, and it will allow me to pop up a little bit more in the algorithm so that I can bring you more content, right? More exciting content, and get me some more subscribers. I need you to share my channel as well so that somebody else can say, oh, let me go look at her sometimes, okay? So help me out with that. I would appreciate it greatly. So I want to say again, thank you. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, get that ding, okay? Bye.
Touch me. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. This is my life, baby. Don't crush my style, baby. I see you watching me. You're addicted to the very thought of me. My vibe, my glow, my aura, my flow. I'm a cool, cool drink on a hot summer day. Just so you know, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay to feel the way you do. Touch, touch, touch me. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Touch, touch, touch me. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, baby, 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 you're captivated, I know it's true. Let me take you beyond your imagination. Just let me hold you, let me bring you in, into palace clouds, and you will fall intoxicating love. Touch, touch, touch me. Activate deep, I know it's true. Let me take you beyond your imagination. Just let me hold you, let me bring you into palace clouds, and you will fall intoxicating love. Ooh. Ooh. Touch me. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Touch